Today we've got another quick review, quick look, comparison, not really comparison. I don't have an old Splinter to compare to, and the Michelangelo I have is different. But now I'm gonna open up Splinter. He looks dope. And I remember having a couple Splinter toys like this. And first you lose the dress and the belt, and then the tail breaks if the head doesn't pop off. Alright, he looks awesome. A little scary, dope. Suppose it's a robe, not a dress. And for his weapons, he's got a cane with a point on it, and a stick, and some nunchucks. Not nunchucks, throwing stars, ninja stars, that's what they're called. And they all come with ninja stars. And they all come with this rack. Most of them come with the exact same ones that he has inside the rack, but Splinter has his walking stick and his bow and arrow. So that's dope. Time for Mikey. I pre-opened these, just the packaging, so that this could go quicker, because I took my knife out, I went around the edges. I usually don't save the packaging or the card, but since I'm saving the box, I might as well put those in the box. And if I ever want to resell them, that should add some value to them. Wow, he's in there. Alright, Mikey. So that's a little different. I wonder if he came with nunchucks like this or with like a chain. They were the same, but they broke so fast that you forget that you owned them, or at least that was my experience. And my next custom, I'm gonna recreate this box as a 3D layer for these guys to have a home, and it's gonna be tough because I'm gonna have to fit 12 figures in there, because I opened the villain pack a little while back. So you can get these set up. This guy's got a totally different look on his face, but as I noticed with opening all the other ones, is a bigger head, slightly bigger body, slightly better color, paint job, more of a matte color than a glossy, shiny like these guys were. But get his nunchucks out and take some pictures, or I might already be playing pictures while I'm talking. This will be the last review for a while till I buy something new. I'm gonna get to work on the sewer layer, then I want to do a Leonardo, same as it never was, like the face in my avatar. And until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Thanks for watching. Peace.